is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and here you can see box that's from Etmax, and this is another portable Bluetooth speaker which I'm gonna unbox and show you. That's the box packing, not much of it, and the Etmax, your smart choice. Only this thing is written on both the side and nothing else. That's the problem with the delivery. All these marks. So let's open the box. Okay, and here comes the speaker out, and there you get nice remote control. It's quite big in size, but the quality is not that much of good. Need two AAA batteries, which is not included, of course. So this is the speaker. Let's take it out of the packet. All right, so that's the compact Bluetooth speaker with nice carry handle, and also a mobile holder is right there. So that's the front side. Looks nice round shape at the top, and there's long tail to the button, and both sides the grills are there, the RGB lights are there, I think. And here you get the volume control and bass and treble, and at the top that's the display for FM and Bluetooth and all, USB, TF card, aux input, and the buttons are there. So the speaker is on the right side of this thing. This comes with a single 4-inch driver, I think coaxial driver, which provides the highs, mid and lows all together kind of thing. So we're going to check it out how the sound, of course. And at the back here you get the on off switch, the AC power cord, and FM antenna, and nice air passing port is right there, and it says Nano Shark. So that's it. Now let's connect this thing to the power outlet and connect to my mobile phone and check the sound, of course. Now I'm going to turn this thing on, and there you get the RGB lights both the side, which looking very nice.
Talk to me. Why have you been avoiding me so much lately? Did I do something wrong, or was it maybe something I said? I'm going crazy thinking about it.
Didn't do anything.
Say you're sorry, though.
you heard, the sound is pretty good and loud enough, and the bass is not very heavy, as this is a wooden speaker, but still the bass is not very heavy because only one driver is right there, and that's not, of course, a subwoofer or a heavy duty woofer. That's a full range 4-inch driver which delivers all the sound notes like highs, lows, mids, and all. So that's why the bass is not heavy, but it's kind of punchy and loud enough. So this is a very compact design speaker, and you can carry it anywhere. You just need one power source, AC power source, and that's it. And you can connect it to your mobile phone or any other device, and you can enjoy the song outside or anywhere, outside, inside, anywhere. So that's pretty nice mini party speaker, and this thing cost me around 750, like that. I'll give the link in the description below, so go there and check that out. And my other channel links are there in the description too, so you can go there and check them out too. And if you like my channel, if you like my work, then you can donate me anything. You'll get the payment links in the description. So that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.